his bag with style, set out on roads that go for miles, with a lens to capture the sun's embrace. Travel with Hugo, a worldly chase. Hurghada's breeze whispers soft and wide. Hotel Jasmine waits by the tide. Palm trees dance to the ocean sound, a perfect escape where dreams are found. Travel with Hugo, see the world through his eyes. Mountains and beaches and endless skies. At Hotel Jasmine, life's a sweet retreat, where every heartbeat finds its beat. Rooms that glow with the golden light, a balcony view, stars all alight. Sip on tea with the Red Sea's glow. Hugo shows it all, let the moments flow. He found some laughter, the food, the air, an adventurous spirit he loves to share. Come along, a journey through the frame. With Hugo, travel won't be the same. Travel with Hugo, see the world through his eyes. Mountains and beaches and endless skies. In Hotel Jasmine, life's a sweet retreat, where every heartbeat finds its beat. Travel with Hugo. Travel with Hugo, see the world through his eyes. Mountains and beaches and endless skies. At Hotel Jasmine, life's a sweet retreat, where every heartbeat finds its beat. The golden light, a balcony view, stars all alight. Sip on tea with the Red Sea's glow. Hugo shows it all, let the moments flow. He found the laughter, the food, the air, an adventurous spirit he loves to share. Come along, a journey through the frame. With Hugo, travel won't be the same. Thanks for watching my channel, Traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every